Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you in the market for a used car here in Greenville, Anderson, or Seneca, South Carolina? Buying pre-owned can be smart, but it also comes with a lot of unknowns. The most crucial tool for peace of mind is a reliable vehicle history report, and that's where Car Value Scout changes the game. You know those reports that tell you a car's entire past? They're essential for avoiding hidden problems. The leading brand charges a whopping $44.99 per report. But what if you could get virtually the same comprehensive information for just $15.99? That's right. Car Value Scout's VIN history report is an incredible 64% less expensive. For less than a third of the price, our report delivers critical data you simply can't afford to miss. We're talking about a detailed mileage history to instantly spot any odometer fraud. Imagine catching that a car's mileage was rolled back before you buy it. Our report also reveals past accidents, so you know if that 5-year-old SUV in Anderson County had a major incident that could affect its long-term reliability. And here's a big one: recall information. Were crucial safety recalls, like those dangerous Takata airbags, ever addressed? Our report tells you, protecting you and your family. Plus, you'll see if the car has a theft record, any outstanding liens, or questionable title searches. Don't let hidden problems drain your hard-earned money. Get the powerful insights you need to buy confidently. Head over to Car Value Scout today. Get your comprehensive vehicle history report for only $15.99 and drive smarter across the upstate. Your perfect used car in Greenville, Anderson, or Seneca is waiting, and we're here to help you find it safely and affordably. Get your vehicle history report now. Visit carvaluescout.com.